Farms on Rise CCTV News, CNTV English, Windows Internet Explorer window, focus on button, disabled.
It even attracts some college students to do just the same, as our reporter Ying Yuan visited Ningbo in East China's Zhejiang province, where family farms are the latest booming business.
Hu Yingfei has been a fruit wholesaler for more than 10 years. In 2008, he started his own farm by renting 25 hectares of land. With about 1 million yuan in government subsidy, he has invested over 2 million of his own money. Last year, he earned 400,000 yuan. Although the return is lower than wholesaling, Hu sees great potential.
When I was selling wholesale, I found customers care about quality and safety. I think I can control the quality better if I have my own farm. It's not only for marketing, but also to show responsibility.
Hu Yingfei's farm has 30 employees, including Gong Wenjia, who studied agriculture in college. Now he's responsible for raising new varieties of seedlings. Unlike other young people, he has a passion in farming.
I had a clear goal when applying to universities. At first, my parents didn't understand why a college graduate would want to farm. But now, they like my job. I can earn more than 50,000 yuan a year.
Gong Wenjia says he has a dream of owning his own farm someday. There are more than 300 college graduates working in agriculture in Ningbo. The local government says family farms will involve more technology and more young educated people.
Small-scale farming is no longer profitable. Modern agriculture should be on a commercial scale and operated by educated people. It's a good sign that more and more farm owners are encouraging their children to study agriculture.
Now the government encourages farmers to develop large-scale farming. If this new model proves to be successful nationwide, a lot of people may go back to their home farms, and it will also boost the urbanization in small villages and towns. Ying Yuan, CCTV, Ningbo, Zhejiang Province.